There you go. For your ride.
Good job. Here we go.
Here he comes.
God, nice fish.
Oh man, about a 70-pound fish right here.
70, 80 pounds right there.
All right.
Good job.
Woo!
Hey, sweet.
Nice fish. Come on, lift it. Come on.
Ah,
Football.
come
Big
on.
football player like you.
Hey. First yellowfin tuna ever for him.
Okay, this is the tuna we got this morning. It's still early. It's only about 9:30 in the morning. Fishing's been great. Chris has the biggest fish so far. But what we're going to do right now is we're going to sign off for this week. And next week, we're going to be back with part 2 for our multi-day adventure aboard the Top Gun 80 out here at Guadalupe Island. Just some monster-sized fish. We'll have more of this action for you next week, so stay tuned. All right.